Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, identify and unlatch the base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive assembly and slide the tab to unlock and unlatch it. Disconnect the cables at the connector base. Lift the assembly up and unlatch the hard drive from the assembly to remove it. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back into the assembly and relatch it. Put the assembly back in place and reconnect the cables. Relatch the hard drive assembly to the system. Place the front bezel and base cover back on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.